Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the advanced English vocabulary words. It plays very important role for your high score in IELTS. So let's get started with basic English to advanced English vocabulary words. So very first is sorry. When you say sorry, that is very basic. You need to use apologize. Problem is issue. Improve is enhance. Idea in concept. Many in mirrors, show in demonstrate, also in moreover, buy in purchase, and use in exploit. So these all are the basic English words and these are the advanced. Please learn all these and use these in your upcoming IELTS exam and get the high score. And if you're also looking for the free English buddy for your free English speaking practice, please reach out to us, subscribe our channel, and share this video as much as you can with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this. Please do subscribe.